To get a new Discover card, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, determine why you need a new card, such as if your old card is lost, stolen, or damaged. If your card is lost or stolen, it is essential to report it to Discover immediately to prevent any unauthorized transactions. Next, contact Discover customer service by calling the phone number on the back of your card or by logging into your account online. Explain the situation to the representative and let them know that you need a replacement card. They will guide you through the process and ask for some verification information to confirm your identity. After verifying your identity, the representative will ask you to confirm your mailing address to ensure the new card is sent to the correct location. If your address has changed, you will need to provide the new address. It is crucial to have your new card sent to a secure location where you can receive it safely. Once you have confirmed your address, the representative will inform you that a new card will be mailed to you. In most cases, you can expect to receive your new card within 3 to 5 business days. However, this timeframe may vary depending on your location and the shipping method used by Discover. In the meantime, if you need to make any purchases, you can use a digital version of your card, which can be found in the Discover mobile app. This will allow you to continue using your account while you wait for your new physical card to arrive. When you receive your new card, be sure to activate it by following the instructions provided with the card or by calling the phone number on the back of the card. This will ensure that your new card is ready to use and that any existing features, such as cashback rewards, are transferred to the new card. Finally, once you have activated your new card, be sure to update any recurring payments or subscriptions that were linked to your old card. This will prevent any disruptions to your regular payments and ensure a smooth transition to your new card. By following these steps, you can easily get a new Discover card and continue using your account without interruption. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to prevent any potential issues.